Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Telegram account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to create a Telegram account for yourself, then the first thing to do is to make sure that you've downloaded the Telegram application on your mobile device. Once you have it, tap it open. The first interface of Telegram will look like this. Telegram is a cloud-based messenger that allows you to access your messages from several devices at the same time. You can also share an unlimited photos, videos, and files with it. Tap on the Start Messaging button in order to continue. In order to create a new account, you'll need a phone number. Choose a country from the very top of the screen where it says Choose a Country. Tap it on, select the country that you belong to, and give it a tap. Now, your country code will be automatically pasted in. Type in a phone number that you'd like to start using with Telegram. Make sure that you have an access to the phone number. Once you do that, tap on the arrow button pointing towards the right-hand side at the lower right-hand corner. Wait for the activation code to arrive. Once it does, you'll be automatically taken to this new page. You'll need to enter your first name in the first text box. Go ahead and type it in. You can skip the last name since it isn't optional. Tap on the camera button in order to upload a picture for yourself, which will be your profile picture for Telegram. You can choose a photo from your gallery or simply take a photo from your camera. I'm going to upload a picture of mine from my gallery. Let me tap on Upload from Gallery. Select the picture that you'd like to use as a profile picture and tap it on. Once you're done, tap the tick mark at the lower right-hand corner in blue. Once you upload a profile picture for yourself, go to the lower right-hand corner and tap on the arrow button one more time. And there you have created a Telegram account for yourself. If anyone is active on Telegram from your contact list, they'll be displayed on the screen. And congratulations, your Telegram account has been created. You can now start your first chat by tapping on the pencil icon at the lower right-hand corner. Select a contact and start chatting, or you can even start a new Telegram channel for yourself. That was how you can easily create a new account on Telegram. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.